Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a single process hair color and a wash and go style on my returning client. Now she is no stranger to hair color. She's been doing this color for about 2 years now and her curls are absolutely thriving. So if you've been considering getting hair color done and you're just worried about your curls, this video is for you. So let's dive in. Alright, so as I mix up her hair color, let's talk about the color that I'm actually using. I love to use a high lift permanent color on her hair. Now a high lift permanent color is great because it allows you to get lighter hair color when you start from a darker canvas without using bleach. Now I believe that using this hair color is the sole reason why she's been able to maintain and preserve her curls, because we're not using bleach and causing a lot of stress on her hair, but still able to achieve lighter color with a ton of dimension with a gentler application. Alright, so as I apply my client's hair color, let's talk about how hair color can negatively affect curly hair when it's not applied or maintained properly. Okay, first things first, and we all know this one, is that hair color can really dry out curly hair. And especially if you're using bleach, and some high lift dyes can really strip the moisture of curls. And the worst part is that curly hair is already naturally drier than other textures because of its structure. So coloring can exacerbate and lead to dryness and frizz. The next negative effect that hair color can have on curly hair is the curl pattern can change. After hair color, you may notice a loosening of your curl pattern, and that's because the chemicals in the hair color can sometimes alter the curl pattern, making it more loose and become less defined. You can actually see this more commonly on more aggressive color processes like bleaching. And lastly, hair color can negatively affect curly hair by increasing the porosity. This is because hair color actually opens up the cuticles in order to do its thing, and sometimes the stress of the process makes it harder for the cuticles to close back down. This results in high porosity hair. This makes your curls absorb moisture quickly but also lose it just as fast. This can lead to issues such as frizz, tangling, and difficulty retaining moisture. Alright y'all, so this is my client processing, and she sits for about 45 minutes. When it comes to these high lift colors, slow and steady wins the race. Okay, so after she's done processing, I'm going in with the moisture shampoo because now I'm moving to the wash and go phase of this appointment. And when you're a curly girl with color treated hair, your shampoo is probably one of the most important hair products in your routine. You want to choose a sulfate-free and color-safe shampoo because these are specifically designed for color-treated hair to prevent color fading and dryness. I love the moisture shampoo for its creamy texture that pushes hydration into the hair without it feeling heavy and building up on top of my client's hair, even those with fine hair. Alright, so after shampooing, I'm going in with the K18 treatment. Now this is a strengthening treatment. It uses bioactive peptides to penetrate deep into the hair strands to reconnect broken keratin chains in the hair. A K18 treatment is especially beneficial for color-treated curly hair because it goes in and repairs damage caused by the chemical processing to help maintain the integrity of the curl pattern. I recommend using a strengthening treatment like K18 at least once a month to keep your hair strong and healthy. And to further assist the K18 treatment, I like to pair it with a steam treatment so that I know we are providing moisture not only to the hair but to the scalp as well. Alright, so after my client has finished steaming, I'm going in with the Emergency Miracle treatment, which is the leave-in conditioner of my Timelessly Curly hair care line. And this is going to be the foundation to start off her wash and go. Now, many don't know this, but there are actually color-safe leave-in conditioners out there that will help preserve your hair color and add moisture. This is why I love the Emergency Miracle treatment, because it is going to help seal in her hair color, but then also it's lightweight enough so that it deeply penetrates moisture into her hair without causing buildup. Alright, so after applying her leave-in conditioner, I'm re-wetting her hair so that I can get her most moisturized, juiciest wash and go. And then I'm going in with the amplifying foam. Now this is a volumizing foam that provides a soft and buildable hold. And lastly, I'm going to layer right on top of the foam the Versatile Styling Cream. Now the Versatile Styling Cream is a game changer because it is a cream gel. Not only will it provide hold, but it's a cream, so it has moisture content to keep the hair moisturized for longer, not like most commercial gels that contain a lot of alcohol, which actually strip the hair of moisture. Alright, so after making sure her hair is thoroughly detangled, I'm going to style her wash and go in smaller sections. This allows for better product distribution and better curl definition, especially after coloring your curls when your hair needs the most attention. I like to take each curl clump and twirl it around my finger. This helps set the curls. This is especially important after color processing when the curls can start to fall a little limp. So this retrains the curl so they know how to set and form their formation and definition. I would also like to mention that styling my clients' wash and goes like this has allowed for less frizz and longer wear. That's because you're literally going curl by curl and giving it attention and product so that you have a wash and go that fights against humidity and frizz. Many of my clients have said that their wash and goes had lasted them up to 3 to 4 weeks just by doing this. Alright, so after I'm done defining her curls, I'm gonna use a hooded dryer to dry and set her hair. Heat is important because it evenly dries the hair to prevent frizz later on. Alright y'all, and here are the final results. You can already see those curls popping off and they look so shiny and so juicy. And we love her hair color because it makes her curls pop even more. And even as we go around the head, you can see that her curls are defined from root to tip. As I said in the beginning, we've been coloring her hair for 2 years now and she still gets healthy curl definition. If you're interested in more hair color tips, be sure to check out this upcoming video. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!